Welcome to the pmhut.com one-stop solution for all your product and project management needs. My name is Saurabh, and today I will be describing you about monday.com software. Let me share my screen and then start. Yes, so monday.com is a task management tool which is online in it, and it provides a mobile app also, so that we can manage the project or tasks wherever we are. So first of all, let me start with the introduction. It's done. Now I'll show you the boards. Boards are basically kind of projects that we can manage multiple projects in monday.com, and it may call it board. Here we can add name of the board. And we can add a description. Next would be let me describe what kind of boards, and then we will go to the task and other features. In this board, its main table, we can see I have divided into multiple phases: simple planning, execution, delivery or launch, and monitoring is always there. It can be changed, and we can call it and this is how our board looks like. And we can have multiple views, like we can see activity status, how many tasks that I'm working on it or team is working on it, or how many are hold, how many done, and how many stuck here. We can add always filters, and we can filter by person, and we can search stuff, and we can export it also. Export. Important feature is Gantt chart view, that everybody is familiar with that. And if we have multiple tasks, that I have decided the timeline, and you can see the timeline mentioned here very clearly, and we can change it according to the need. There are more views like chart, calendar, and Kanban. I'm going to do that. Yeah, I have made two charts based on the filters. This is filter based chart. I can change based on my requirement. Okay. And next important feature is Kanban board. And it is like working on it, stuck or done. These type of columns we can use. We can always use simple Kanban, or we can extend it as per our convenience. That yes, we have some tasks which are in plan mode. We can move those activities there. This is how we can manage. We can always add item here. There's a new task that's ready to review. It could be design of a new user profile page, for example. Yes, it is there. So it is ready for review. For example, we need to add some future steps. Then it went to the future step, and we can add owner, and who is doing this person or some other person. Like this is the main table, and we can see the Kanban views. Now I will describe the task. How can we manage the task? How can we view the tasks? So I can go here, and I can write what is the task here. For example, this task is a page. We can describe the task, that what is here or what is the update on this. So for example, I will start with my description, that yes, use design and I will update here. User can like or reply to this. Great idea. This is how we can restrict our discussion only on one topic here, and you can see that you can subscribe. Subscribers means if somebody subscribe to this discussion, whenever I will update, anybody will write anything on this, he will get immediately email, and you can have copy link item, export to Excel, and email preferences based on the requirement. And suppose if I have here, I can show you that how can we add a sub item. You can here, go here and add here sub item. Sub item maybe call it subtask if you want to use task one. For example, this is our task here, and you can see that this is sub item of this, and we can also have a page design for see, this is a task of basically subtask of this main task, and we can hide this, and we can add status like yeah, it's working on it, and we can set priority. If it is not there, we can add it. Yeah, we have priority here, but here it was not there, so I'm adding a priority here. Just that. Status, it is basically coming on status. If I add here, we call it priorities. Based on that, I can add labels that could be these labels are used, sorry. Yes, I was here. I'm sorry for that. It's done. Suppose I have done this task, and I can use this timeline, start and end the date. Start date and end the date is 15. Status would be start. All right, now we can describe another feature, that how can we move it to another place. Now planning is done. It is in execution. If somebody started working on it, it is execution. If design discussion is done, we can put the task in the release, and obviously we can monitor things. Now I'm coming to the notification part. If user have some notification where the user has been mentioned or task was assigned, so people can get notifications here. Inbox is for internal communications, and you can use mobile app also to get these communications. My work, if somebody assigned task to me, I will get here. And very important part is apps marketplace. This is integration of this tool with other tools. For example, Miro or Trello. We can add Jira also here, so that these apps can be connected with this. We can invite members. Members will get email and they can add themselves. We can search everything. It's a very powerful search. We can search how many times we can find a design. See, design is mentioned on these pages, right? Tasks. If we stuck somewhere, we have help center, getting started, what's new, these categories, and we can always contact them. Profile, it's a simple profile where we can we can see our profile where you can add photograph or we can modify our information. This is a web-based tool. So sometimes you have to make sure that you have a good internet connection so that you don't stuck like this. Right. So we have multiple options, which are normal options that we can explore it. No worries. I think we have covered almost all the important things. That's right. That's right. So this is all about the monday.com. And if you have any question, you can always comment on, ask a question on the comment section. And if you have any other question, you can always write to me, Saurabh at thepmhut.com. Thank you.